I have a problem. I suck at the Rubik's Cube, but I think I know how to fix it. You see, I've been using a ton of cubes recently to find which cube I perform best on, and I think that this one is the best one. You see, this cube has some features that perfectly suit me, which is why I like it so much. Like, for example, it has this new technology called IDHM, which is an acronym for I don't have magnets. Now, this technology may seem dumb, but it's actually very smart. You see, this feature actually helps with controllability because you get to decide how much you want to turn it and when you want to stop turning it. Also, this cube's turning style is incredible. It has really crunchy turning style. It's very flexible, which I like. It's very clacky and loud, which I like a lot because loud means better, right? I think the saying is louder is funny. Yeah, whatever. Who cares? Now, its corner cutting isn't the best, but you get to have a more controlled turning style, which means you don't really rely on corner cutting. Okay, I'm gonna do my first solve without any setup. That wasn't the best, but I think it needs a little bit of setup. So, you know what that means? Setup montage. Okay, so it feels much more like softer and like plush, which is expected by setup, but I think it's a little too slow. So I'm gonna like break it in a little bit and, you know, just get used to this cube. Hey, that was better. It means I'm getting better at this cube. You know what? I have an idea. I want to use this cube for an entire day, 24 hours. Just this cube, and see how fast I can get on it. Because this is the perfect cube for me. I want to see how good perfection can get me. Solve 1. There's some rules to this challenge though. Number 1, I have to use this cube and only this cube for 24 hours. But if I get a PR average or better on this cube, the challenge is over. And number 3, honestly, 14, I'll take that. There's no number 3, it's just number 1 and 2. Just. Ah, 18. I think that for this cube, I'm gonna have to use more look ahead instead of real speed. Still an 18. I'd be shocked to get a 15 or below. This is pretty hard. The following solve. Hey, let's go! Where does it say that? 13. We're getting closer. Ooh! New best. 12.84. 17 with the +2. No, that was perfect. You know, at this rate, I'm wondering if I can even get sub 12. Nah, that's easy. Sub 11's impossible. There's no way I get it. New goal. Sub 11. Yes! Oh no, it's so close. No, it's an 11. That was almost perfect. That could have been it. That could have been it. You know, looking back on that solve, I really wish I got it there. I really wish I did. Oh, back to 14s. 14. I don't know if I can do YouTube flicks on this cube. You see, I think I've realized that YouTube flicks don't really work well on this cube. I'm gonna go the max part route. If he can get sub 4, I can get sub 11. 12. Let's go. getting worse. I'm getting worse. How is that possible? Oh, that's a 12. Hey, let's go. No. No, the pause. The pause. That ruined it. Okay, that's better. 12. 12. I'm getting really good right now. Another 12. Ooh, 13. What's that? No. No way. No way. No. I can't. No. No. That was it. That was it, but I thought it was a G perm. It was an A perm. We're getting closer. 11 to 5. Oh my god, that was so close. Yes! Yes! Oh my god, I did it. A 1086. Oh my god, I actually did it. There's actually no way I did that. Oh my god. I just got a sub 11 on the best Rubik's Cube in the world. It's amazing. It's actually wild. Challenge complete, I guess. Now that I just finished the Rubik's brand challenge, I guess it's time to do a solve on a normal cube and see how that goes. Okay, the scramble looks good. Oh wow. Oh wow. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe this is the best cube out there. But this one? This one might be. Video coming soon. Peace.